Good morning. Today we learn how can we measure temperature. You know about temperature? Yes. Two scales are commonly used for measuring temperature. First is Celsius scale. Second is Fahrenheit scale. Unit of Celsius scale is degree C and Fahrenheit scale is degree F. Degree C is read as degree Celsius. Degree F is read as degree Fahrenheit. You can see this you can see this thermometer here. 0, 10, 20, 30, so on. So freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. This thermometer is in Celsius. Freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius and boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. Water कब बेटा आइस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है? When the temperature is 0 degree Celsius. और water कब बॉयल होता है? When the temperature is 100 degree Celsius. आप घर में मिल्क बॉयल करती है आपकी मामा. When the milk boils, when the temperature increase to 100 degree Celsius. Freezing point of water is equal to 0 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit, it is 32 degree Fahrenheit. If the question asks what is the freezing point of water in Celsius, so answer is 0 degree Celsius. If question is freezing point of water in Fahrenheit, so you have to give answer 32 degree Fahrenheit. Both temperature are equal. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Boiling point of water is equal to 100 degree Celsius. This is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. In Celsius, boiling point of water is 100 degree and in Fahrenheit, boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Measuring body temperature. A clinical thermometer is used for measuring body temperature. The range of temperature in a clinical thermometer is from 35 degree to 42 degree Celsius. Normal body temperature of a healthy person is 37 degree Celsius. If your temperature is 37 degree Celsius, it means you are fit. If your temperature is more than 37 degrees C, it means you are suffering from fever. In Fahrenheit, its scale is 98.6. Normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. If temperature is more than 98.6 degree, it means you are suffering from fever. कहते हैं ना आपको 100 डिग्री फीवर है मम्मा, मुझे 102 डिग्री फीवर है, तो वो that temperature is in Fahrenheit. Air temperature has a wide range of temperature. Temperature conditions, weather. First, below 0 degree C. If temperature is 0 degree C, very cold. Nowadays, temperature at night is between 0 degree C to 10 degree C. So, today weather is cold. 11 degree C to 20 degree C, cool. 21 degree C to 25 degree C, mild. ये तो है आपका विंटर्स का टेम्परेचर. मॉर्निंग में टेम्परेचर वेरीज फ्रॉम 11 डिग्री सी टू 20 डिग्री सी. एट नाइट इट वेरीज फ्रॉम 0 डिग्री सी टू 10 डिग्री सी. दिस इज टेम्परेचर ऑफ विंटर्स. नाउ व्हेन द समर स्टार्ट्स, टेम्परेचर वेरीज. अकॉर्डिंग टू टेम्परेचर वेदर ऑल्सो चेंजेस. When the temperature is 26 degrees C to 30 degrees C, normal, warm. Then 31 degrees C to 35 degrees C, there is hot. गर्मी स्टार्ट हो जाती है बेटा. 36 degrees C to 40 degrees C, very hot. This temperature varies in June. In June month, temperature is more than 40 degrees C or equal to 40 degrees C. So extremely hot. If temperature is more than 40 degrees C, it means weather is extremely hot. बेटे आपको पता नहीं चाहिए. अगर मैम इज सेइंग इफ टेम्परेचर इज 0 डिग्री सी, इट मीन्स वेरी कोल्ड. Between 11 degree C to 20 degree C, cool. When the weather is hot, when the temperature varies between 31 degree C to 35 degree C. Now look at the exercise 11.1, 11.11. Pick the most appropriate temperature. A bowl of soup. What will be the temperature? 20 degree C. 20 degree C कहते हैं mild hot, mild. It means temperature of this bowl of soup is 55 degree Celsius. Ice cubes. You know, freezing point of water is 0 degree C. 0 degree C freezing point of water. So ice cube temperature will be 0 degree C. At 100 degrees C, water start boiling. So temperature of this ice cube is 0 degree C. And ice cream, बेटा ice cream cold होती है, ठंडी होती है, तो इसका टेम्परेचर होगा 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अ फीवरिश पर्सन, जिसको फीवर हुआ है, फीवर किसको होता है? इफ बॉडी टेम्परेचर इज मोर देन 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस, सो 39 डिग्री सेल्सियस. नाउ रीड दीज टेम्परेचर्स. देखो, दिस इज in this thermometer scale is 10, 20, 30. It is in Celsius. Here mercury, you can see this gray line. This is mercury. देखो कहाँ पर है? 10 के बाद you can count lines. 11, 12, 13, 14, approximate 15 है ये. तो temperature is 14.5 degree Celsius, or you can write 15 degree Celsius. Next, now mercury level rises. It's 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So 46 degree Celsius. Here mercury level scale starts from 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 degree Celsius. Here mercury, you can see the level of mercury. 95, 6, 7, 8, 98 degree Celsius. Now question C. Convert the following temperatures to degree Fahrenheit. We have given question C in Celsius and we have to convert into degree Fahrenheit. So there is a method. By that method we can convert Celsius temperature into Fahrenheit. How we can do? Beta, there is a method. What is the method? First, we have given temperature. If we have given temperature in Celsius, first we multiply by 9, then divide by 5, then add 32. After that, we get temperature in Fahrenheit. Temperature in Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius. 20 multiply by 9, 180. Now 180 divided by 5, 36. Add 32, 68. So temperature in Fahrenheit will be 68 degree F. It means 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज इक्वल टू 68 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. ये दोनों टेम्परेचर इक्वल हैं. ये सेल्सियस में है और दिस इज इन फ़ारेनहाइट. सेकंड, 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस, सेम मेथड. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9, डिवाइड बाय 5, एड 32. बट यू हैव टू लर्न इफ यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर इन सेल्सियस टू फ़ारेनहाइट, ऑलवेज फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9, देन डिवाइड बाय 5, एड 32. 50 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9, 450. Divide by 5, 90, add 32, 122 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 4, 90 degree Celsius. First multiply by 9, then divide by 5, add 32. Multiply by 9, 810, divide by 5, 162, add 32, 194. This is the answer, 194 degree Fahrenheit. That is the question number C. Now question number D. Convert to degree Celsius. If question is in Fahrenheit, we have to convert into degree Celsius. कैसे करेंगे बेटा? इसमें अपोजिट हो जाएगा. इसमें कहते हैं ना add 32, तो हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे subtract 32. Multiply by 5, sorry divide by 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 9, divide by 9. इसमें वाइस वर्सा, इसमें उल्टा हो जाएगा. First you will subtract 32. In given temperature, first we will subtract 32, 117, then multiply by 5, then divide by 9. So answer will be in degree Celsius. Question number 2, 167 degree Fahrenheit. You have to learn subtract 32, then multiply by 5, then divide by 9. You will get the answer 75 degree Celsius. Question number 3, 95 degree Celsius. Subtract 32, 95 minus 32. 95 minus 32, 63, 63. Now multiply 63 by 5, 315. Now divide by 9. So answer is 35 degree Celsius. But you have to learn only when you have to convert degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. First subtract 32, multiply by 5, divide by 9. If you have to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, first multiply by 9, divide by 5, add 32. Okay, do practice of these sums. Bye bye. Have a